Hello everyone, so today I'm trying the second time for the crispy chicken wing, and let's see how successful it is. The moment of truth. Wow, the smell is oozing out. Wow, let's take a look. It's totally like crispy brown red, right? Bon appetit. Alright, I have just flipped the chicken, so I'm just going to show you that this side is not that crispy, so I'm going to put in again for the second round of air frying to really complete the 100% crispiness. Hi, so now it's another 3 minutes. The chicken is second round of frying. Let's see how it's doing. Wow, even the other side is so crispy. Bon appetit. Look at this. Looks so crispy, golden, orange. It really whet your appetite.